Hello, good evening everybody.
Yes.
How's everyone tonight?
Okay. Thank you. Ano yung starter set mo na kaya? Gusto mo yung broccoli biscuit? Okay.
Welcome to Alisar, everybody. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Tonight our special is we have a different set special every night. We have regional specialty. We have Turkish jalapeno. We have pesto gnocchi, tomato sauce, garlic, olive.
Okay, yan.
By the way, my name is Dewa. My partner Brian.
Okay.
Alright. Ready, madam?
Yeah.
Start with madam.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So I go with wild mushroom quesadilla.
Quesadilla, yeah.
Yes, and fillet of salmon.
And salmon dinner, yes.
Then I go with
He was in my area, and Bill was.
it's a fresh food cake.
But those are all closed. I didn't make
Then
it.
for, okay.
Madam, my name is
Salmon?
salmon dinner. Is it salmon?
Wala ka na ito?
You know about these people, but see, they were most of them before you even. How old are you?
Give me,
They'll be starting.
I would like
Where are you from? Where are you from?
medium.
Well, I know you. Okay, thank you.
Bagay sa iyo yung karin sa lamin.
we have the black broccoli bit, French onion.
You give me broccoli. And the sweet later.
I'll be back.
I'll be back with a vengeance. Terminator.
I'll take the next coconut cream with double cheese and then the medium rare. Medium rare. And
Medium rare yung medium rare. You're coming for medium rare. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
ribeye steak.
How would you like it done, sir?
It's medium rare. And a bottle of beer.
Yeah. Pineapple.
Yeah, Corona will do. And that's it.
Ano ka ng
Any
gusto mo?
starter?
Garden
Appetizer, soup or salad?
broccoli biscuit.
Broccoli bit. Thank you.
Then desserts later. Bala kay?
Yes.
Anybody else want a drink?
Gusto mo ng cheesecake?
No.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank
coming
you.
back for the sweet.
Thank you.
Ako naman para meron ka rin.
Bigay mo kay pero kung mayroon ka rin.
Medyo ito.
Meron ka.
Medyo yan.
Yan. Okay.
Yan na siguro yung pasidi ko para.
Yan. Group. Yan. Tapos, pag may pagkain mamaya, anong binigay? Ay, ano yan? Tinapay? Sandali lang. Dapat yung order mo, nasa akin kanina. Ayan, okay. Ay, ito yung tinapay mo. Ayan, ano? From Russia, with love.
So, tanongin